Hi, everyone. I'm Annie Burgess, ESIP's Lab Director. I'd like to tell you about Funding Friday, our annual summer meeting mini grant competition, where we invite you, our meeting attendees, to pitch a project idea for a chance to win $5,000 if you're a member or $3,000 if you're a student or teacher. The way it works is pretty simple. You, or even better, you and some collaborators come up with a project idea that could be accomplished over the next 6 months. You translate that idea into a poster, preferably using Google Draw, and pitch your idea during the Funding Friday event on the last day of the meeting. Your peers will vote, and 3 members and 3 students will walk away winners. You can see the full list of rules and examples of past posters in the video description below. Funding Friday always showcases the innovative and collaborative spirit of this community, so I encourage you to participate. I honestly cannot wait to see what gets pitched this year. See you then.